Bring. Bring. She brought snacks to the party yesterday. I bring my lunch to work every day. He will bring the documents tomorrow. Borrow. Borrow. I borrowed a book from the library yesterday. He borrows his friend's car for work sometimes. She will borrow my notes for the exam. Belong. Belong. That book belonged to my grandfather. These keys belong to me. This award will belong to the best student. Befriend. Befriend. She befriended many people during her travels. He befriends everyone with his kind attitude. I will befriend the new colleague next week. Bolster. Bolster. The evidence bolstered their argument in court. This initiative bolsters the company's reputation. We will bolster our defenses with better technology. Broadcast. Broadcast. The news channel broadcasted the event live yesterday. They broadcast the football match every weekend. The radio station will broadcast the concert next week. Banish. Banish. The king banished the traitor from the kingdom. She banishes negative thoughts through meditation. They will banish any doubts about their decision soon. Bewilder. Bewilder. The complex instructions bewildered everyone in the class. His sudden change of behavior bewilders me. The tricky puzzle will bewilder most players. Barter. Barter. In ancient times, people bartered goods for services. Some communities still barter instead of using money. We will barter our skills for resources in the workshop.